Greetings, my name is John Windust for CSC 110. This is Quiz 7, Question 2. In Question 2, the goal is to find all of the prime numbers between 2000 and 2500 that, if you take their digits, they add up to either 10 or 14. DigSum, which is the first function we need for this question, is mostly just question 1, so I'm going to be skipping over that, but I think I did a really nice job on that function. Spent a lot of time on it. Anyway, our prime function, the way this prime function works is that the user is basically inputting a range A to B. You can see that I'm initializing the list at the top before the range statement. The range statement goes from A to B plus 1 because we want to be inclusive of that last value. That range statement is popping out, making sure it's greater than 1. And we are basically brute force testing if every single number, 1 by 1 by 1, has any factors at all. We're checking, dividing by absolutely everything up to the number. I actually had a really interesting learning moment during this because where I put break. It took me a really long time to figure this out. For a long time I had return none, and I was trying to make that work. And I also tried pass. I also tried this way of like continuing. I tried basically making it its own list and then separating it out later, but it was just really messy. And then I ended up finding out this break thing, which breaks the loop, and then will basically allow it to break the loop. So anyway, we're accumulating all of the numbers that are prime, that do not have factors here, and then just returning them at the bottom. The next function, prime dig sum, which is basically taking all the first two functions, using them as helper functions to create both things that are prime numbers between a range and the digits are equal to 10 or the digits are equal to 14. You can see list initialization. Then we go right into a for loop to pull out the prime numbers in the given range, and they're just going right into two different list accumulators, one for if they're equal to 10 and one for if they're equal to 14. And then you see a double print at the bottom. Here it is working. Boom. This list is for prime numbers that add up to 10. The second list is for prime numbers that add up to 14. I'll fix this before I turn it in. I see that I spelled that wrong. Thank you so much for your time, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.